Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. I'm here with my friend Tara.
Hi.
And she's gonna tell us about both of her cars that we have here. Now we're gonna move on to Tara's other car, which she brought here with her husband. Tell us about this one.
08 P-71. I got it when it had, I think it was 113,000 miles. It used to be a black and white. It's from Stafford Township in Manahawkin, New Jersey. They gave it this really awesome metallic teal green paint job when they turned it into a detective unit. The caps are in excellent shape. I ended up putting the stock Goodyear RSAs back on it. I do regret that because they're really not good in the rain.
Really?
So the next
So these are the tires that came on the police unit?
Yeah, you would think.
Yeah.
I fished a couple times, so yeah, you got to definitely be careful.
It is a very nice green, even from far away. It looks like a forest green or something.
It looks different in every light.
Okay, so besides the paint job, anything else that you personally have done?
Well, I had to do a lot of paint correction on it because there was a lot of sap damage. You can see these little white spots I haven't gotten down deep. I did some fine cut with the orbital, and I got a lot of it out. It was like a grayish haze over the entire top of the car, the hood, the roof, the trunk. It didn't seem to affect the sides too much, but I have to go back and keep working on it.
Now, how does this drive compare to the Marauder? I know it's a night and day difference, but it is still a Panther platform.
It's definitely stiffer. I got the shocks replaced, which was really an awesome thing to do because they were in really bad shape. I would bounce so bad. It's a different experience from Marauder. It's great for my daily because that's basically what this car is at this point. It's a daily, so I don't have to keep the Marauder on the road.
Yeah.
The Marauder's just too special. Not that this car isn't special, but it's a lot easier to replace this one. You know, God forbid something happened.
Yeah.
But it feels powerful, and I love it. It's an amazing car.
How many miles on the Crown Vic?
I think we have 133, if I remember right. So I put a lot of miles on them. I got to drive my son to work, so.
Yeah. Okay, so it's been reliable and performing well for you.
Yeah, definitely reliable.
Okay. Do you want to show us the interior?
It took a lot to get used to the tint because the tint's really dark. Especially driving at night, it's definitely a different experience because the Marauder's not that dark.
Do you, the cops mess with you for the tint or no?
No. I did get stopped once in the Marauder because I didn't have my front license plate attached yet. But that was it. They basically just told me, to get it attached.
Okay, what's going on with the interior? So you said it was a P-71, so it had...
Yep. I replaced the radio because the radio was not working.
Okay.
And this console came from the guy that I bought it from. He was nice enough to put that in there for me for buying the car. And the seats are super comfortable. They're amazingly comfortable. They're very stiff, but they're comfortable.
And you got the rubber floors.
Yes, that's amazing too. See, I have my little dustpan and brush down there.
Yeah.
All I gotta do is sweep that up. On occasion, wipe it out if it gets muddy, and you're good to go.
That's nice.
Especially with my son doing construction stuff, he always comes in grimy. So it does get dirty.
All the controls, everything works here?
Yeah, in this car it does.
Yeah. All right. Is this a dual exhaust or single exhaust?
You know what? I don't even know.
Let's take a look. This is a dual exhaust.
Yeah.
Yep. This is definitely a dual exhaust. And what was the gears on this, you said?
It's just 327.
327 gears?
Yep. And then the inside of this trunk. I don't have as many stickers in here.
But they are here. Got the Tri-State Panthers, Panther magazine. Okay. Did you have You know how they have the police box or the...
Yes, I have it in my attic.
Okay, so you do have that.
Yes.
That's a cool thing to have.
Yeah, it just didn't have the lid, and it took up so much room. I was like, I need to put stuff in here, so...
Yeah.
Because I haul a lot of stuff for my antiques business, so I can't have it taking up room.
Yep. The Marauder didn't have it, but the Vic has it, a toolbox.
Right.
That's what I like to see.
Right.
Okay, I think that's it. If you want to show us under the hood, it's up to you. But every car, even though Panther has the 4.6, but...
Yeah, it's not a clean engine. I haven't touched this one yet, but eventually I will. But it has the blue hoses, and so they're, a little bit of money. See ya!
Speaking of Panther magazine, there's Derek.
Yeah, so she's a little grimy.
All right. So they've got the blue silicone hoses. Pretty much stock, right?
Everything's stock. Yeah.
Everything's stock and reliable. It's not as clean as the Marauder.
No,
but
I haven't touched this at all.
But it is a workhorse.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it at all. It's shameful, but I will eventually do it.
Yeah. I haven't cleaned mine either, so I'm guilty. Well, that is it right there. We got the Jersey Marauder and then the Crown Vic from New Jersey. They also had a 3-hour drive back.
Yes.
Back, as you can see, it's clearing up already. And I'm sure you heard all the noise. But Tara, I just want to thank you for your interview, for your cars. Thank you for letting us into your bubble.
Thank you.
Into your car space. I will link all her Instagram and her YouTube channel and everything in the description so that you guys can see her content. Thank you so much, Tara.
Bye.